Ready? 0-0. Love one. Love one. Ball. One low. Love one. One all. All out. 2-1. All in. 3-1. Ball out. 1-3. Two, three. Bowling. Three, two, no. 2-3.
All right, match 4. Niharika and Jahnavi. Jahnavi looks in good touch today.
3-2.
It's going to be an interesting match.
Four, two.
That's a break. A deep shot from Niharika, close to the baseline.
4-2.
Good put away. That volley. Deep,
2-4.
low bounce. And it was behind Jahnavi. Difficult to pick up.
4-2.
A great passing shot, but then at the same time, Niharika with such good
2-4.
contact, deeper volleys. She looks really good at the net. Extraordinary passing shot.
3-4.
Niharika was slightly rusty. 3 rallies before this shot. But then she's back with her passing shots.
4-3.
Looks like Janvi brought her A game into play.
3-4.
Able to play well. But I think some of those unforced errors needs to be reduced. It's 4-all. Janvi is returning good, but then it really depends if she gets to the net faster to get those volleys in.
All out.
Niharika looks slightly disappointed with the referee call over the past few rallies.
All out. 6-4.
Well played. Well played. Janvi almost got it.
4-6.
Running side to side between lines. Both were closer to the lines. That's what made those tougher. Janvi looks like a baseline player. Relying on her passing shots. Not coming much to the net. She won't get those important points if she's not running to the net. And then she's still able to get those passing shots in.
6-5.
Maybe relying on Niharika hitting those passing shots and forcing some errors.
Five, 6.
The second match, after the swap was done, she really settled in
6-5.
after that first 2 matches, and is competing at a high level tonight. Tried to dodge it, but that ball was misjudged, and it turned
5-3.
to be well inside the court.
I see that Niharika game
6-all.
very patiently playing and putting all the balls in the Janvi's court. So it will be hard for the Janvi to return and put it in the patiently in the court. That's what the main game is. Just put it everything in the court and try to make the opponent's mistake. I see the strategy was followed from the Niharika. But the other side, Janvi is doing some unforced errors, which is giving so much very take the command. Yeah, see, unforced error. It's a simple unforced error.
There's a lot of unforced errors being made in this match, particularly. Score tied at 6-all. Ball called out by the referee.
You can see 3-4 unforced errors, making Niharika confident that just to put ball in the court and get the point.
Beautiful shot, but then a beautiful setup. A really good pop on the ball. Unfortunately, Janvi unable to finish that.
That's a nice lob from the Niharika.
So
So Janvi did not predict that actually. This was the first lob played in this match. But Sandeep, from the first match onwards, I see that Janvi has improved from that very much.
It's really important for a player. So a lot of players play good in practice, but unable to convert that into the main day. But Janvi being a player of that level, she really slightly underperformed last week, but she's really doing well today. And except for those few finishes, if she's able to finish the smash as well, maybe she'll have slight advantage. And the point doesn't look. I mean, Niharika is not in much of a lead, only leading by 2 points. That's an out. Niharika went for the line. Maybe it was not that much needed because Janvi was to one corner of the court. So going for the line was not a good idea.
But as a player, we want that.
It's entertaining to the crowd, but unforced errors, they bring you a corner. That's a beautiful volley.
Niharika doesn't giving any chance when Janvi was serving at all.
Beautiful volley. She looked calm, composed, and put that away in style.
9-6.
Niharika is setting Janvi to play how the ball should be played according to her. So that will be easy. Again, an unforced error. So he's dictating the game actually. Niharika is dictating the So Keerthi Warrior
Except
took
for
the.
those few unforced errors she's making, she looks in control actually.
So timeout was taken by the Keerthi Warriors Janvi. How do you feel about the home crowd today, Sandeep?
Really amazing.
10-6.
The kind of entertainment that Raptors has provided today sets up new targets to other teams as well. I think after today they'll be planning in more entertainment in between the matches.
See
11-6.
how Niharika has set up this point. One to the backhand and one to the forehand. And came to the court in the middle. And got the nice volley and put it in the corner again.
The way to win points is to get the opponent's heart racing. For that, when your heartbeat increases, the chance of error also increases. So you should get. Oh, beautiful shot.
What a backhand.
What a backhand.
What a backhand.
13-6.
Niharika is cruising away to win.
Those drives look beautiful actually. That's well thought and but bad execution of the shot. Slightly. That brings to match point. That's end of match 4. Raptors and Keerthi Warriors tied up at 2-all. This is getting interesting as the night progresses. Raptors are happy. Janvi, the match looked pretty neck to neck in between at 6-all, but then Niharika with her beautiful drives and volleys sealed the win for Raptors.